Update 17 is out in bubbler. Are you a real bubbler? If you're a real bubbler, you have to blow the bubbles right now. New update date drop. And I'll be showing you every single new working code inside of the brand new bubbly update. New bubbler update is here. What you should do is go and open your codes, and I'll be redeeming every single new and working code. Zoom in on the codes. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. This is the secret code for secret pets in the new update. The developers finally added some secret pets for us to redeem. First of all, comment a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji. Daily Robux giveaways are going on in this channel, and you can easily win yourself some Robux by commenting a heart emoji right now in the comments down below. And of course, you just got a free box. You got a free box. If you got a free box, then you got a free box. Update 17. Update 17. Update. Hello, update 17? Update 16? Update 16. Really, dude? Alright, update 17 is probably being added because the developers forgot. They forgot. They actually forgot. They became a skull emoji and they forgot. I'm gonna draw the developers on my screen right now. There you go. Okay, that's bad. That's okay. Never mind. Update 16. Galaxy bait. Galaxy bait. I don't even know what it's going to do, but we got a bunch of galaxy bait. Nelly. For real skis. One more bonus. One more bonus. I didn't even see what we got. You can rewind and see for yourself. It's rewind time. Alright, update 1.5. Elixir. You got even more elixir. World 3. Mythic elixir. Fishy. Yo, speed elixir. We get so many elixir. And of course, 1, 2, 11, 10676767 Ronaldo, fire emoji, shouting man, gorilla emoji, banana emoji. 6 and 7 5 4 3 2 2 1. There is no 1 though. There is no 1. Don't forget to subscribe for future codes. Like this video right now. If you're a liker, if you're a subscriber, and if you're a commenter, you win Robux.